Jill, Elements. Hey, DA, I don't think they ready for this. I don't think they mind's right, but let's see though. Masters of the universe is megahertz in every verse. I lift the curse for those who put in work. I burn the church. It separates the man from God. I know it hurts. I lost my purse. We discuss research to quench the thirst. Stand tall like Lurch. Seek and search the universe in the burst of ills immersed above the shadows. Converse with fellow gods first. Mixed water, sunburst, and the dirt to create humans' birth while we transverse the universe. Through the atmosphere, my efforts exert, smear mortals through portals, eliminates devils. Disperse starbursts with no quirks with halos. Show you how to work with stonework. We come through the universe to teach the first church a true verse. Master of the whole earth. The elements is masters of the universe. Universe, universe. Elements, the masters of the universe. Universe, universe. Masters of the 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 universe because I advance much faster. I'm a raps from the future, spit it and I leave you in the past, bruh. Try to catch up, you won't even reach 1% of my stature. And that's what you really call a Cleveland chainsaw massacre at ya. And I guarantee you niggas it will be your final chapter. Try to run, try to hide, it don't matter cause I'm coming after. Universes, fuck a person, call me Unicron with the verses. You don't understand cause I'm earthless, you don't know the reason or the purpose. Too small for the big picture, can't leave stuck to the surface, so worthless. So I had to break them off and hit them up with the curses, like the omen, so I'm zoning. It's the day of atonement, yeah. Down with the elements, like the periodic table, yeah, we own it. Masters of the universe, I done master universes. Tell me what you want from me, got so much information. Got so much information. Got so much information. Masters of the universe. 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 Masters of the universe.